Best budget drones. Are you looking for the best budget drones? In this video, we will look at some of the best budget drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ryze Tello Blinery X60 Drone with Camera, 2K HD FPV Foldable Mini Drone for Kids and Beginners. Take your aerial adventures to new heights with the Blinery X60 Drone, a feature-packed mini drone designed for kids, beginners, and hobbyists. Equipped with a 2K HD camera, this drone delivers stunning aerial photography and smooth FPV, first-person view, footage, capturing every detail with clarity. The brushless motor ensures quieter operation, longer lifespan, and stable flight performance, giving you the confidence to explore without worry. Fly effortlessly with altitude hold and optical flow positioning, allowing the drone to hover steadily for precise photos and videos. The gesture selfie mode makes capturing perfect shots easy. Simply pose, and the drone will snap your picture. With one-key takeoff and landing, beginners can launch and land the drone safely without complicated maneuvers. For extra fun, enjoy 3D flips and aerobatic stunts, or program your flight path using Waypoint Fly for automated navigation. Designed for convenience and portability, the X60 is foldable and lightweight, making it easy to carry in its included carrying case. The package comes with 2 batteries for extended flight time, a USB charging cable, and spare propellers to keep you flying longer. At just 5.12 ounces, this compact drone is perfect for outdoor adventures, backyard flights, or travel. Whether you're a beginner learning to fly or a kid exploring the skies, the Blinery X60 drone combines fun, safety, and professional quality video in one easy-to-use package. Capture your world from above and experience the thrill of flight with precision and ease. Number 2. Holystone HS440 Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone with 1080p Wi-Fi camera, ideal for beginners and kids. Experience the thrill of flight with the Holystone HS440 drone, a compact and foldable quadcopter designed for adult beginners and kids aged 14 and up. Featuring a 1080p Wi-Fi camera, this drone captures crisp, clear aerial photos and videos, letting you explore new perspectives from the sky. Its FPV, first-person view, capability streams live video to your smartphone, giving you a real-time view of your flight adventures. The HS440 is equipped with voice and gesture control, making it easy to take selfies, record videos, or direct the drone's movements with simple commands. Auto hover and gyroscopic stabilization ensure steady flight, even for first-time pilots, while auto landing provides safe, stress-free landings every time. The drone's modular battery allows for extended flight sessions, giving you more time to capture stunning footage. Designed with convenience in mind, the HS440 is foldable, lightweight, 166 grams, and portable, making it perfect for travel, backyard flights, or outdoor adventures. The package includes a remote controller, spare propellers, USB charging cables, a small screwdriver, and a user manual, ensuring you have everything needed to start flying immediately. Its durable build and intuitive controls make it a safe and enjoyable choice for beginners. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes, enjoying fun aerial tricks, or learning to fly your first drone, the Holystone HS440 combines performance, portability, and ease of use in one complete package. Take to the skies and enjoy hours of fun and creativity with this versatile FPV drone. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone with 4K EIS Camera, lightweight foldable drone for adults and beginners. Elevate your aerial photography experience with the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone, designed for adults and beginners who want professional quality footage without complicated setup. Featuring a 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, camera, the Atom SE captures ultra-clear, stable videos and 12MP photos, ensuring every shot is crisp and vibrant. Its GPS-assisted flight enables precise positioning, auto-return, and advanced flight safety, so you can fly confidently in any environment. Weighing under 249 grams, this compact and foldable drone is travel-friendly, easy to carry, and compliant with drone regulations in many regions. The Atom SE delivers an impressive 62 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries, 31 minutes each, letting you enjoy extended flight sessions without interruptions. Coupled with 4 km FPV transmission, you can stream real-time HD footage directly to your smartphone, giving you a true first-person view from the sky. Equipped with a brushless motor and a maximum speed of 16 meters per second, this drone is both powerful and quiet, providing smooth, stable flight for beginners and hobbyists. The drone package includes battery, remote control, spare propellers, data and adapter cables, screwdriver, screws, and a portable carrying handbag, giving you everything needed for an easy and convenient flying experience. Whether capturing scenic landscapes, performing fun aerial maneuvers, or exploring new perspectives, the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone combines portability, power, and professional-grade imaging in one beginner-friendly package. Discover the thrill of flying and create stunning content with this versatile and reliable drone. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 SE. DJI Mini 4K Drone. Ultralight 4K UHD camera drone with 3-axis gimbal for adults and beginners. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with the DJI Mini 4K drone, a lightweight and regulation-friendly drone designed for adults and beginners. Weighing under 249 grams, this compact drone is easy to carry, travel-ready, and compliant with most local drone regulations, allowing you to fly freely without extra hassle. Its 4K UHD camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal ensures ultra-smooth, stable video and sharp 12MP photos, delivering professional quality results from every flight. Experience long-range exploration with 10 km HD video transmission, keeping you connected and in control while streaming crystal-clear footage directly to your device. The Mini 4K also features intelligent flight modes, auto-return, and strong wind resistance up to 38 km per hour, level 5, so you can enjoy precise, safe flights even in breezy conditions. Its 31-minute max flight time with one battery gives you plenty of time to capture stunning aerial views, perform cinematic maneuvers, and explore new perspectives. The drone package includes DJI Mini 4K, Intelligent Flight Battery, DJI RC-in-1C remote controller, multiple RC cables, Lightning, USB-C, micro USB, propellers, gimbal protector, screwdriver, spare screws, and a USB-C data cable, giving you everything you need to get started right away. Whether you are a beginner learning to pilot your first drone or an enthusiast seeking a compact, high-performance aerial camera, the DJI Mini 4K combines portability, power, and professional-grade imaging in a user-friendly package. Take to the skies, capture stunning content, and experience the thrill of flight with this versatile, feature-packed drone. Number 5. Ruko F11GIM2. Ruko F11GIM2 drone with 4K camera, professional foldable quadcopter for adults. Take your aerial photography to the next level with the Ruko F11GIM2 drone, a professional-grade quadcopter designed for adults and enthusiasts seeking extended flight capabilities and high-quality footage. Equipped with a 4K camera featuring 2-axis gimbal stabilization and EIS, electronic image stabilization, this drone delivers smooth, crisp, and vibrant videos along with 8.3MP still photos, capturing every moment with precision. Enjoy unparalleled flight performance with up to 64 minutes of flight time using 2 intelligent batteries, 32 minutes each, and 5 km digital video transmission, allowing for long-distance control and immersive FPV, first-person view, experiences. The F11GIM2 is built to withstand level 6 wind resistance, making it stable and reliable even in challenging outdoor conditions. Its GPS-assisted features, including auto-return, one-button return, auto-follow, and auto-landing, ensure safe, easy, and stress-free operation, perfect for both beginners and advanced pilots. Designed for convenience, the F11GIM2 is foldable and portable, making it easy to carry in the included carrying case. The package includes 2 intelligent batteries, power cables, spare propellers, screws, an Allen wrench, and a user manual, giving you everything you need to start flying right away. Whether capturing cinematic landscapes, performing aerial maneuvers, or exploring new heights, the Ruko F11GIM2 drone combines professional-grade imaging, extended flight time, and advanced GPS features in one versatile package. Elevate your aerial adventures, create stunning content, and experience the thrill of precise and effortless flight with this feature-rich, high-performance drone.